guys, welcome back to my channel. I am Ishita, and if you're new here, then please do not forget to press the subscribe button and also click on the notifications icon to stay updated in the loop. Today I'm going to talk about one of a kind product and that is newly launched in the market, and there is no other product right now that is like this. I'm talking about L'Oréal Paris Revitalift Crystal Gel Cream. It is one of a kind product that is newly launched in the market because it has a hero ingredient that is salicylic acid, also known as BHA. Salicylic acid is an active that has the ability to exfoliate the top layer of your skin by purifying your pores and removing any dead skin cells. Salicylic acid plays an important role in skincare and is scientifically one of the best ingredients that is out there to incorporate into your skincare routine. It also helps in removing the blackheads and whiteheads and helps in removing any kind of impurities, unclog pores, and helps with acne as well, and also helps in improving your appearance. Salicylic acid is an ingredient that has been talked much about lately because it is so appealing to the consumers. Salicylic acid has been my holy grail. I use twice a week to exfoliate my skin with salicylic acid and other active ingredients, and it is it has been so amazing for me. I have ditched all my physical scrubbers and using that salicylic acid infused chemical exfoliate. Everyone should incorporate salicylic acid into their skincare routine, especially oily and combination skin people. Dermatologists request oily and combination skin people to incorporate salicylic acid in their skincare routine. L'Oréal Paris Revitalift Crystal Gel Cream is the newest launch and the latest addition to their existing crystal range, which I have absolutely loved and used so much before. I was so happy with the crystal micro essence that I was so excited for this product to be launched in India. The main reason that I was very much excited about this product to be launched in India was the hero ingredient that consists in this product, salicylic acid, and there are not so many salicylic acid creams present in the market right now. This made me so much more excited for this launch in India. The crystal gel cream penetrates up to 10 layers deep, controls oil for up to 8 hours, deeply refines, purifies and minimizes pores for that crystal clear skin. It's water-based oil-free formulations that locks in moisture without building up excess oil that would eventually lead to breakouts. It is very lightweight and comfortable on the skin. Basically, the skin has tiny holes called pores. One releases sweat and the other releases sebum, body's natural oil. Oily skin is more prone to acne and pores, so the cream is especially suitable for people who have combination to oily skin. Start with the clean phase and then use the crystal micro essence and then use this crystal gel cream. You can even use this gel cream alone as well without any essence or toner. It will even leave you with a clean, bouncy, supple skin as well. It is clinically and dermatologically tested. Added bonus to this is that the cream is free from parabens, colorants, synthetic dyes, and is non-comedogenic. As you can see the results, I now have crystal clear skin. Gel cream is available in two sizes. There is one for 15 ml which costs $2.99 and one for 50 ml which costs $6.99. Check the links in the description box below. Thank you so much for watching, you guys. Make sure to like, comment and share, and also do not forget to subscribe to my channel. Press on the notification bell icon and stay updated to all my latest videos and notifications. Thank you for watching. Bye bye.